Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video. So today's video tutorial is about Shopify, and we are gonna remove the Powered by Shopify from your Shopify shop basically. So too much Shopify, right? So what we need to do to remove the Powered by Shopify from your Shopify, go to my Shopify shop. This is a dummy Shopify shop that I've created, and as you can see here, says, you know what, Powered by Shopify, right? Now how to, basically how to remove this. So basically what you need to do is click here and go to your online store. Click here on your online store, and after that click on themes. Right after a bit of a loading, it will show up. Now what you need to do is you need to click on these three dots, and after that go to edit language. Click on edit language and wait for a bit. After it loads up, what you need to do is click here in the filter items and say powered. Type in powered and you'll get these options. So basically what you need to do is click here, press space once. This is removed. This is the powered password page, the one we're seeing here. Click here, remove. If you want to write something, let's say coming soon, right? Save. After a bit of loading, theme content updated, click here, refresh the page. Let's see, coming soon, Powered by Shopify is removed. Pretty basic step. Let me repeat. Go to your online shops, click on themes, click on these three dots, go to edit language, click here in the filter, type in powered. Since we have removed this, we're going to type in coming soon. Let's type in this, press enter. As you can see, it's going to show up here, and you're going to just type in that, and voila, you have removed that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment. If you have any question, I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell icon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.